Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here with episode 2 of MFT March Madness Mondays. This is a collaboration with Audrey, who is So Good All, Shantae, who is Simply Shantae, and myself. We are pulling out our MFT supplies, my favorite things. We're pulling out dies, stamps, papers, whatever we have, and we're crafting, and we're inviting you to come along and join us if you have any of those supplies. Dust them off and let's have some fun. So, again, as I said, this is episode 2, and I am going to share with you what I am going to use for this episode. So, this is another one of the kits that I have, and it's the friendship kit. So, these are the dynamics dies that will be used. This one is called Friend and Friendship. Boxed in banners. What friendship means. And this is the stamp set that came with the kit, what friendship means. So this die will be used on a lot of these sentiments. Okay, and then there are also papers. This is their smooth white cardstock. I think it's 5 sheets of those. This is butterscotch, and this one is called Eiffel Tower. All right, also, I purchased some additional stamps and dies. And with MFT, when you're purchasing, when you have purchased so much, you get a free item. Add on some more, you get another free item, and so on. This was an exclusive stamp set, and it is called Friendship. So with this one, once the kit sold out, you couldn't even buy this individually. A lot of times they will have the stamps and dies where you can go back and purchase those. You can't get the kit after it sells out, but you could get additional the pieces that came in individually, but this one you couldn't get at all. It was an exclusive stamp set. I also purchased fishtail foundations. You can use, of course, these with anything. This is stitched jumbo fishtail. And this last one is polka dot pops. So this is what I will be using to create with the friendship kit. And it's very possible I will pull some other pieces from other things that I have as well. So stay tuned and see what I created. All right, let's see what I created with the friendship card kit. But I'm going to first share with you some additional items that I pulled in order to help me create the cards that I created using the kit. We have some white embossing powder, some diamond dots, and I used 2 different shades of yellow. This is a Stampin' Up! Ink pad, Summer Sun. Some enamel dots by Eyelet Outlet. This is an oldie but goodie for me, La La Land Crafts corner die. Doesn't have a name, so I really can't tell you what the name of that is, and I don't know if they still make it. A Cuttlebug script embossing folder, and one of the flowers from this Prima flower set. All right, this is the first card that I did. I will show up for you no matter what. There's the white embossing, and this is ever so popped up so that it can look like there's a fold, and that's the way that banner die is made, so I really like that. All right, that's the first one. Love this one. I loved using the little, I think it was called Pop Dots die. I will always be in your corner and on your side. Hadn't put any sentiments in yet because I don't know who will be receiving the cards. And then I'm thinking that maybe the sentiment will be handwritten, but we'll see as the occasion presents itself. All right, here's where I use that script die. Script embossing folder. Friendship means you are never truly alone. And here are the enamel dots. Really cute. All right, let me do it just a smidge. There we go. All right, the next one, friendship is made up of a million little things. Now, this sheet was not in the kit, but it is from an MFT 6x6 paper pad. And that is the inside of that one. One of my faves. I love shakers. Love, love, love. Here's that corner die from La La Land Crafts. Friendship is a promise, not a label. Love how this turned out. I was thinking about maybe cutting two more of these and putting them in the other corners, but it may look a little crowded. I'm not sure. But what I originally planned to do was put this one here, and this one should have been here. And when I knew it, it was there. So there it lays. All right, and that's the inside of this one. And the two little hearts, I just took the Eiffel Tower paper scrap that I had and used this die again and just popped these hearts out. And for my last one, which I'm thinking is my favorite, even though I love shakers, but I really like how this turned out. The word friend is popped up. Being with you means belly laughs and happy tears. And that is the inside of that one. So those are my cards for this installment of MFT March Madness Mondays. You still have an opportunity to join in on the fun. We have one more Monday to go. It seems, look, not enough Mondays, but a whole lot of supplies left. Wow. I'll get to them though. I'm inspired to pull them out. But again, the links for Shantae and Audrey will be in the description box. Make sure you check their channels out to see what they have created if you haven't seen the first episode, and to see what they do for this episode. Also, if you are planning to participate, make sure you use the hashtag MFT Monday. All right, see you the next go round. Happy crafting.